Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Godrej model. This determines plate layout and screws. Once done, remove batteries or power, safety first, then undo visible screws on the faceplate. Use a thin pry to lift the bezel gently. Make sure to keep screws in an organized tray so parts don't get lost. You'll expose the internal assembly and the cylinder. At this point, identify retaining clips and the cam. This identification guides the next removal step. You now focus on the cylinder. First, hold the cam steady so it won't spin, then remove the retaining screw or unhook the clip. Once free, pull the cylinder straight out. Don't twist sideways because the tailpiece must remain intact. Insert the new cylinder with the identical tailpiece orientation. This ensures the latch operates correctly. Tighten the retaining screw just enough to secure and manually rotate the key. If it turns smoothly, you're ready to reassemble the faceplate. You finish by returning the bezel and screws. Make sure wiring is tucked away from the bolt path so nothing pinches. Reinstall batteries or reconnect power, and if your model requires programming after cylinder change, follow the lock sequence now, otherwise proceed to testing. Turn the key and operate the latch several times. Also use the keypad or thumb turn. If the key binds or deadbolt misaligns, loosen screws slightly. Realign tailpiece, and red-iton, that correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.